I'm going to use this silver Sharpie. Okay, here's the piece I made. I took 2 pieces of the handle for the lawnmower and made this that I'm going to attach my tongue to. It's going to be going right here. And the reason why I drilled 2 holes right here and right here is because I want this to adjust up and down. So I can see where I'm going to be on this front end here, and then I may weld it solid, I may leave it adjustable, I'm not sure. So we'll see how it goes. I put a punch mark here on this piece right here, so I'm going to drill a hole. I got a cobalt drill bit, but I'm going to put a little oil on it. It drills a lot faster that way. Okay. Then this is going to attach here, and then this will be going up and down like this, so I can see where I want the position to be. Well, I got this tilted up here a little bit, and what I'm going to do here instead is I'm going to attach this, and then there's going to be another piece over here on this side. I'm going to weld these 2 together or something like that, and then they're going to be welded on right here. That's a lot easier than trying to make a turnable wheel on a pivot. It's a lot less work, so I'm going to do that instead. As you can see, I got my hitch made. I'm going to be doing some other work to it, so we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to do some welding also. Now this is what it looks like after it's off the tank. So I'm going to do a little bit more welding on it, and then I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to paint it.